Thank you. But this next song, I wanted to have a cover because, you know, are we all Filipinos here? No. Welcome to our visitors from different countries. Thank you for visiting the Philippines. That is wonderful. I am Bayang Barrios with my band, Nanaliagan. Nanaliagan is a manobo term for ano nga? Ako yung gumawa ng ano. It's a manobo term for chosen. So they are my chosen musicians. Nanaliagan. Ang manobo is, I come from Mindanao, southernmost island in Mindanao, and I am a manobo from the community of the tribal people, indigenous people in Bunawan, Negros Sur.